Hello everyone. Today we'll be making a spice blend called Ras el Hanout, which originates from Morocco. I initially made this blend because I couldn't find anything like it at a spice shop around me, and boy am I glad I did, because I don't think it would have tasted anything like what I would have gotten from the grocery. After reading about it, I learned that Ras el Hanout literally translates to head of the shop. So with that in mind, I customized this blend with some spices I had around and some things I use in my style of cooking to impart my own unique twist to this amazing blend. I also discovered that this blend can have up to 100 different spices in it, depending on what shop and whom you get it from. Once made, you can add a teaspoon or two of this blend to other various dishes to give them some depth and warming characteristics. So come along as we make our very own Ras el Hanout. So this recipe is very straightforward and very easy. In a bowl, you will mix together 3 to 4 bay leaves, 6 cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of caraway seeds, half a teaspoon of dill seeds, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of allspice, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of spiced paprika, half a teaspoon of Hungarian paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, half a teaspoon of saffron threads, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Basically, once we have all of these spices mixed together in the bowl, we're going to put them into a mortar and pestle and grind them all together. It's pretty important that you do this step and grind them all together, as it really brings all of the spices together and makes it something else. So there you have it, folks. Once you grind all of these down, you can blend them and put them in a airtight storage container. I use a little flip-top jar, and it should stay good to use for about 6 months. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Would love to hear what variations you guys made on it. Leave them in the comments. Thanks.